parents, it's Miss Amy, your gym director, and Miss Megan, your program director of the Little Gym of Stevens Creek. We're so excited to welcome you and your children back to our facility. To ensure the safety of your family and our staff, here's a video to illustrate our new cleaning procedures and social distancing protocols in accordance with the CDC.
Before and after every class, our mats and equipment are sprayed with Simple Green D Pro 3 and left on for at least 10 minutes. It's a hospital-grade disinfectant approved by the CDC that kills the COVID virus, including over 75 other viruses, bacteria, fungi, and pathogens. You'll notice there will be gaps in the schedule between classes. This is so we can properly sanitize all equipment and allow for drying time. We've installed a special air scrubber purifier into our HVAC system that destroys over 99% of airborne and surface contaminants, so you can breathe easy. Our staff will follow a strict hourly schedule with detailed checklists to make sure that all highly touched surfaces are wiped down and properly sanitized. Instead of sharing small equipment, each family will be required to purchase a kid kit that contains everything they need for class, so you won't have to worry about extra contaminants. To practice social distancing, our lobby has special markers to designate safe spots for you and your child. During class, our instructors will be using pre-sanitized tools and teaching techniques to make sure we all keep a safe distance. We've also reduced class size and ratios.
Like our commitment to helping every single child grow physically, cognitively, and emotionally with our three-dimensional learning.
Like teaching important life lessons about self-confidence, problem solving, and teamwork.
Like having a safe, nurturing, non-competitive environment.
Like having serious fun.